soy Ana la colombiana, and today we are going to be talking about a verb that is, well, difficult to understand in Spanish, and the verb is to know. Right? Yes. In Spanish, we say to know like saber o conocer. So today we're going to talk about the difference between saber y conocer, so that is easier for you. So, get ready! As I mentioned before, today we're going to be talking about the verb to know. To know something, to know someone, to know about something, right? But in Spanish, as I mentioned before, we have two ways to say that. We have el verbo saber y el verbo conocer. As you can see, these two verbs finish in er, meaning that to talk about them in present and you don't know how to talk about that, el presente indicativo de los verbos terminados en er, well, I will recommend you to go and check out my video in which I explain that. And well, to start with the difference between these two verbs, el verbo saber has three different characteristics: for, hechos, e información, facts and information. But el verbo conocer is for personas. For example, yo conozco a Juan, yo conozco a Mariano, yo conozco a mi papá y a mi mamá. ¿Sí? But if I want to use el verbo saber, yo sé cuándo fue la independencia de Colombia, yo sé cuándo es tu cumpleaños. ¿Sí? So these are two different ways to use these two verbs. Now, if we want to talk about things that we know by heart, that we know it because we have memorized them, well, then we use saber. And if we want to talk about places or countries, then we use conocer. For example, yo conozco Panamá, yo conozco Estados Unidos, yo conozco lugares de Colombia. Or, yo sé cuál es tu número de teléfono, yo sé mi número de teléfono, yo sé la fecha del cumpleaños de mi mamá. ¿Sí? Those are things that you know by heart. And finally, cómo hacer algo, how to do things, the steps to do something. Or, well, just the process to do something. Basically, it's the same. Or if we're talking about conocer, identificación, something that we identify, right? So, to give you an example, yo sé cómo cocinar, yo sé cómo preparar un plato especial, yo sé los pasos de la evaluación, yo sé los pasos del indicativo del presente en español, pero yo conozco el nombre de todos los libros de Mario Mendoza, yo conozco los nombres de los presidentes de Colombia, to give you an example, because I don't remember another example, I don't think about any other example in this moment, so that would be it. So if you think this was clear, and before we finish, it is important that you know these differences. If you know them, I'm sure you're not gonna make mistakes when speaking in Spanish. So, if you like the video, leave a comment down here, subscribe, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Bye! See you in my next video.